Well, I'm glad he knows he's squeaky clean. It's the Barracuda we did a few days ago, but Mr. Chippie wasn't available that day to do an on-the-air test, so we fitted it in. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, we are just about to put the extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Right, I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger on that. So this is the Barracuda HB940. This is a set belonging to the gentleman from the trucking and farming business, and it's a box set and it's immaculate. Unbelievably good. And the performance of this, outstanding.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we have got a tone control.
Roger that, so I'm heading up the lane towards
Medium,
the end of it, passing
low,
place, and doggy daycare, which is
medium,
probably
high.
not being used.
No, it's a bit dark.
Roger.
So strange arrangement with the controls. On-off volume squelch, RF gain, mic gain. You kind of expect them in that order, don't you?
Alright, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger on that, got you the end of the line.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now square-wheeled Ancaster Crossroads. What happened there? I had no audio off you.
Obviously didn't press the mic in enough.
Roger.
You're running with the factory original mic because it's an unusually wired set. I haven't got a mic which I could just plug in. I didn't really want to make one up just for now.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're now through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, roger.
We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
We've got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 20.
you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Barracuda HB940 from 1981, using Cybernet 134 chassis. I'm on the standard factory original mic over.
Yep, roger all that, all received.
Roger, Dodge Barracuda was the name used for Alphas. It did 2 sets at a time. This one, which is the Cybernet, then did the GT868 from Grey. So quite the contrast between the performance of those 2 models they offered.
No kidding. Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
What you got? You're going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
What you got? You with the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
What you got? You with the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie went out the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point on this Barracuda HB940 using Cybernet 134 chassis from 1981. And factory original mic, the radio's doing full 4-watt output and it's 1.18 amps to do that. The low power switch is at the back and here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power doing 40 milliwatts, radio's drawing 520 milliamps. Go back to full power and then we are back on full power, over.
Yep, no problem on full power, noise around low power but fully readable.
Roger, that's off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going out of Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yup, 139.9 and 149.7.
Roger, that was absolutely great as expected. Thank you very much. And
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going out of Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yup, 139.9 and 149.7.
Roger on that. Worked absolutely great as expected. Thanks very much. And 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Right, we'll go through to our base station on that. I can't really say anything. There's the original mic. The 5-pin in, it's a different arrangement to the Maxon ones. It's a different arrangement to realistic. So I wasn't going to wire one like we normally do for just one set. Right, here we go. We'll go over to the base station.
Tango 21, testing the Barracuda HB940 at full power, and we'll go to low power into our Midland 76900 base station. 54321, there we are on low power. Just a hum test. The hum would diminish if there was a bum problem, but there isn't, so we'll go back to full power. And I think tomorrow we've got another one belonging to trucking and farming. It could be the 80 Child Team base station, but there's something else as well. Thanks for watching.